So first, before to start to learn the software AutoCAD, so we must have the same surface of work. I mean that you must control your tools that you have in software. So for this, you click right here and you choose show the angle. As you see, all the groups of my surface of work are selected except the visualization. So if for example I selected the group of 3D tools, so I deselected. As you see, the group of 3D tools is disappeared, so I don't have the group here. So I click right again, show the angle, and I select 3D tools. So this step is so powerful because you know now how to deal with any platform of AutoCAD, and this things it's so necessary how to control the tools for to work in any surface of work. And of course, in other side, it facilitates me how to teach you to design for any projects. So this is the first thing that I want to talk before to start the project. Now the second things, it's about the choice of the grade of surface of work. So many students ask me if that grade is necessary for to work or for to start designing in AutoCAD. So first thing is a choice. For me, I prefer to work with the grid. This is the command to activate and or deactivate the grid of surface of work. So this is a choice. The third things that I want to show you it is how to show the thickness of line. For example, here I choose another thickness of line and I design the second line. As you see, the thickness of line it's not showed. So for to resolve this problem, we tap the command LW display. So here is disactivated, so I try to activate it. So if I tap AC, I find this result. So any thickness of line here it's showed, so the problem is resolved. So when I tap LW display and I deactivated, so I find the first result. So please pay attention of this command. Also you can use a baseline, so for the French version of AutoCAD of course, to see the real thickness. So let's start the project.